In this video we are going to analyze Krishna diagnosis. This is the daily chart. Here each candle represents one day, and this is the pattern formed, that is the falling wedge pattern. This means the trend is about to reversal and uptrend will start after downtrend. This indicates, but here you can, okay, let's leave that. And here you can see now the price of the stock is, you can see the current price 664.05, last traded price. Okay, so after breaking out of this pattern, here you can see like this, it has been fallen, again raised, again down and up. Here this blue line acts as a resistance and this blue line acts as a support. Okay, here you can see it has been fallen from this. After opening the IPO, it has been raised and fallen down, and now it's going up and again down, and it took support here and again it's moving up and again down. Again it took support on this and again it will go up, mostly chances are there. And if breakout happens, then it will go upside. If breakdown happens, then it will go downside. That is, if breakout happens, then it will go upside. That is, 151 rupees up movement can be seen after breakout of this pattern. Wherever it breaks anywhere of this pattern after breaking of this resistance, then it will go 151 rupees upside movement can be seen in the stock in coming days after the breakout. And if breakdown happens, then in coming days the stock will fall 151 rupees downside, and huge down can be seen, that is 24% approximately. Okay, this is the analysis of the Krishna diagnosis. And here you can see the pattern which has been followed in this. Okay, so this lines acts as support zone and this resistance. After breaking out of this line, the stock movement can be seen upside or downside, and this is the complete analysis of this Krishna diagnosis. You can, and these green lines are the support and resistances. Okay, after breakout it will breaks each and every, by breaking each and every line one by one, it will go upside movement can be seen, these resistances. And if downside happens, then it will already it will fall by making new lowers. Like that it will continue its trend up or down, whatever. Okay, this is the analysis. You can, after breakout of this resistance, wherever it breaks like this, you can see wherever it breaks these levels, at that levels you need to, from that levels the target, this target is will be applied. If breaks here, then it from here to here like that. If breaks here to here like that. If breaks here, then here to here like that. Okay, the targets like this. After breaking out of these levels also, it will go, further go next levels like that only, breaking each and every resistance one by one. Uptrend can be followed up to here, it can go again back to original form, that is 1099 in upcoming years or coming months like that, after breakout and breakdown. So be careful. Okay, thanks for watching. You can take a screenshot all of the resistance and support zones. Okay, this is the complete analysis.